Okay, folks, we're back doing today's product review for Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation. Today we are talking about our hidden, mysterious, secret, glow-in-the-dark, limited edition, 4-star patch. Really fun product here. Nice, clean, sharp looking, limited edition, hand numbered on the back. There's only 25 of these. The higher number, let's see, 11 through 25 are going to be in silver, and 1 through 10 will be hand numbered in gold. Now there's base card version of this. Here you go, the little base card you can get. Comes with a little spray can on a handful of these. We've taken it and cut it out, made a handcrafted insert. This is a embroidered swatch that we did that glows in the dark. So there's actually a handful of other ones. I think I did a video on these earlier, but just kind of recap it for you. There's the gold on white, gold on black, silver on black. Now these have all got this brontosaurus dinosaur on them. This one in particular has got the Raptor and the train yard, and that's where we put the little glow-in-the-dark embroidered swatch. Again, real high stitch count. I don't know if you can see this here in the video, but there's an awful lot of stitches in that little 4-star there, that hidden mysterious secret. It just looks really nice and clean. It's raised a little bit. Now we also have one-of-one embroidery swatches with this Raptor. I don't want to get you confused, so I'm going to show you here. These are super fun. These also glow in the dark. There's the moon in the back because it shows up a little bit better on the black than the white, but these are one-of-one. We'll do a video on these again later that you can find, but these are the one-of-one embroidered swatches. We got a nice hat around here. Here, let's see. There you go. So when we run the hats, we usually do a sample. Here you go. You do a sample to make sure we like it before we run a bunch of them. And instead of discarding it, we took the sample, put it on a trading card there. And that does glow in the dark as well. But if you're looking for information about this limited edition, hidden, mysterious, secret, 4-star embroidery swatch, this is the card we're talking about. These are a little bit easier to come by, again, numbered to 25. Still going to be hard to find. You can get these in the hobby box, so you cannot get it in this Ghetto Blaster. Sorry, folks, you're only going to be able to find them in the hobby box. This is a hobby box exclusive, 17 plus. So if you're under 17, it's not for kids. Always make sure you look for that genuine original holofoil seal there. Make sure you're getting an original product. We'll go over the warning here. May contain graphics depicting mature content that's not suitable for minors, like little dinosaurs, spray painting, and other inappropriate things. So anyways, if you're looking for these cards, you can find them in that box. You can also find redemption tokens for these hats and other cool stuff. But that's been our product review for the glow-in-the-dark 4-star embroidery swatches, hidden mysterious secrets from Ancient Menace.